Everyone, I have been busy on many platforms where Pi coin and Pi network discussions are taking place. One of the observations I've made is that people have unverified Pi tokens and they are wondering how they can claim it. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to claim your unverified Pi tokens. This is the latest Pi network update. As of March 23, 2025, Pi Network has transitioned to open network phase, marking a significant milestone in its development. However, many pioneers are concerned about their unverified Pi tokens, especially following the recent KYC Know Your Customer deadline. This video provides the latest information on how to handle unverified Pi tokens and the steps you can take moving forward. Now, I'm going to explain what we mean by unverified Pi tokens. Unverified Pi tokens are those accumulated through activities like referrals and bonuses that have not been validated due to incomplete KYC verification by the user or by their referral team. The Pi network requires all users to complete the KYC process to ensure the legitimacy of accounts and prevent fraudulent activities. Tokens associated with accounts that haven't passed KYC remain unverified and are ineligible for transfer to the mainnet. Now, here are the recent developments. The Pi network set a deadline of March 14, 2025 for users to complete their KYC verification and migrate their tokens to the mainnet. Users who did not meet this deadline have forfeited a significant portion of their Pi holdings, according to an official statement from Pi Network. The final reminder, the transition period requires KYC and mainnet transfers to be completed by 8 a.m. UTC on March 14, 2025, or the majority of your Pi, excluding Pi mined in the last 6 months before migration, will be lost. This measure was implemented to eliminate fake and fraudulent accounts created solely to claim free tokens. Current status of unverified tokens are as follows. As of now, there is no system in place for users to convert unverified Pi tokens to verified ones. The Pi core team has not deployed a mechanism for this conversion, and users are advised to wait or await official information regarding any future developments. Now, here are the steps you can take to get prepared. Complete your KYC verification if you haven't already. Complete the KYC process through the Pi Network app. This is crucial for verifying your identity and securing your tokens. I got mine done in just a few days. Once they prompted, I got it done because my name that I registered with on the Pi Network is the same name I'm bearing on my identity. Then you have to stay informed. Regularly check official Pi network communication channels for updates on the status of unverified tokens and any new processes that may be introduced. You can also check on this channel. I bring you all the information that you need to know. Then you have to secure your account. You have to enable two-factor authentication to enhance the security of your Pi network account. On March 13, 2025, Pi Network released a two-factor authentication feature to help ensure account security, and I have done mine. Have you done yours? And I've done a video on how to do that also. I will leave it in the description section of this video for you to watch. While the forfeiture of unverified Pi tokens following the KYC deadline is a significant development, it's essential to focus on securing and managing your verified tokens. Completing the KYC process and staying updated with official announcements will ensure you remain an active and informed participant in the Pi network ecosystem. So this is where I'm going to draw the line on this video. Please go ahead and like this video and do all you can as specified in this video for you to be able to verify your unverified token and to be able to save and to keep safe the tokens that have been verified. I will see you in the next video. This video coming up by the side from my channel is the one you need to watch now. Bye for now.